Hello and welcome. Today with Roland the Robsons we're going to look at awning rail protectors. Why do we use them and why have we decided to purchase one? Well, here it is. Here is the awning rail protector, and essentially it's a large piece of plastic that will go into the awning rail and it protects the caravan. Now for me, I think it has a few positives that we need to look at. Number one is the fact that it actually stops the water hitting the side of the van. It reduces the amount of water hitting the side of the van. Now that has two really key points to it, which kind of relate to my second point in a second, is that the less water that's coming down the side of the van, the less likely you are to get black streaks, which can make the van look a bit dirty and a bit disgusting. That's basically because on the caravan roof it gets a lot dirtier than the sides, and people often won't clean their roofs as much as to clean the side of the caravans. And what that will do, by having the awning rail protector in, it reduces the amount of water coming down the side of the caravan, and therefore it's going nowhere near the floor, which is the only wood bit inside my Bailey caravan. Another great reason for using the awning protector is that because it stops the amount of water hitting the side of your van, it also means that the amount of water getting near the windows is reduced. So again, if you do have any niggles with your windows, it means the amount of water getting there is going to be a lot less than if you don't have the awning rail protector on. So for me, given the price of being about £16, and we'll put a link down below which is an affiliate link, that won't cost you any more money, but it does give us a few pennies towards the channel and other things. The pack that I've bought here actually also comes with an awning rail cleaner. That's great for two reasons, the awning rail cleaner, because one is if your caravan's been sat there a while, like all our caravans are given the current lockdown, it means we can clean out the awning rail and make sure any gunk out of there. And also, so as a new caravans, they will have a little bit of extra sealant that might have flowed into the channel, which makes it hard to get your awning onto the rail. So the pack I bought was about £16, and I'll put a picture up now here, and you can have a look at that if you want from Amazon. So here is the amount of dirt that came from the awning rail itself when we pushed the protector through. Just coming down here, you can see the awning rail cleaner, and it's absolutely disgusting with thick gunk. That was just a quick clean through before we put the awning rail protector in itself. So the cleaner is definitely worth it as part of this pack. Just make sure you give it a quick clean before the protector goes in, otherwise you're just keeping the gunk inside. So all we've done so far is we've just put it a little bit onto the awning rail. As you can see on the Bailey here, there's a gap to put it into and pull it through, and we're just going to pull it all the way through to the other side of the van. So I've made sure just to pull it around the corner here to make sure it's covering that side. And what we're going to do is just walk down the other end of the caravan, and we're going to have a look on here, and if we look a little bit we can work out exactly where we want to cut it. So all we're going to do, like we have here, is put a cut line in, and we can pull it out and cut it all the way through, ready to go the right size. So as you can see here, the awning rail protector is doing its job. The water's coming off the roof, and rather than going down the side, it's coming straight over the top and onto the floor itself. What this does is it means that we haven't got all this dirt going up through the awning rail channel and making the side of our caravan dirty and black marks that we don't want. So what we've done here is it's now completely finished, and as you can see it covers the corners a little bit, coming all the way along here, and any water that comes off the top of the roof will no longer run down the side of the van, and that will stop black streaks and all this dirt like we've got here. Because we had a little bit of spare, we have decided instead to put some of this down at the sides. And what that does is it just means it gets as much water away from the van and away from the floor on the caravan. In the top left here is a playlist of maintenance videos that we've put together, and in the bottom right is a video that YouTube has picked for you. Please remember to smash the like button if you got some value from this, and remember to subscribe to continue following our journeys in our maintenance side of the caravan. All that leaves me to say is thank you for watching all caravan, motorhome and camping and other types of leisure vehicle. See you in the next one.